Here's a quick video on my 2014 Chevy Sonic, which was getting a fault code of P0597. That fault code indicates an open circuit on the thermostat temperature sensor. And what I found online, most people replace the entire thermostat and housing, which is about $100 or so. But I found I could just replace the thermostat unit itself with the one temperature sensor for $19 off of Amazon. That same part is about $90 at the car parts store. So what I did first, here's the old one. I measured across the terminals on the temperature sensor on the thermostat, and sure enough I had an open circuit. And it should read around 15 ohms if it's good. So this is the piece I bought. I just replaced that, which is right down in here. And here's this temperature sensor itself. And a little hard to see, but the new unit's in there. And after about 5 or 10 minutes of driving, a couple engine starts, the code went away. So that appears to have fixed the problem. And like I said, it only cost $19.